I'm at Heraclea. See that? The Roman legions are about to face King Pyrrhus and his Macedonian Phalanx.
Look at that formation. 16 ranks deep, with sarissas over 5 meters long. It's a moving wall of steel.
We're charging! Gotta break the line!
Arg! We can't get close! It's a slaughter!
What is that sound? My gods! Elephants! The Romans have never seen such monsters! The horses are breaking!
It's over! Cavalry is gone! The flank is open! We can't hold! It's a full rout! We have to fall back!
We lost, but Pyrrhus paid a heavy price. The origin of the Pyrrhic Victory.
Rome's losses were staggering, yet their envoys were defiant. They told Pyrrhus, Rome does not negotiate with.
One defeat taught Rome how to fight the Phalanx and the elephants. They lost the battle, but gained everything else.